Hello, this video will be a brief course site tour in Brightspace. Starting with the course home, this is where students can get a brief overview of updates within their course, important announcements, or upcoming due dates here in the calendar widget. There's an option to change the homepage look and feel, but this is the standard layout. The Content tab is where all the course material will be organized. I'll be going over each tool, but all activities and lecture material should be listed under Content within modules here. This should act as a table of contents for students to easily access all their course material. Now there are two different content layouts, this being the classic one, and this being the new one. You can make a request to LTSI to switch the view you like best. Now going to the Grades tab, here you can see all your students and the grade items that you've created. Within the Setup Wizard tab, instructors can choose the settings that control how the gradebook behaves, whether it's a points or a weighted system, and other customizable settings. In Manage Grades, grade items can be created by clicking the New, as well as categories to organize your gradebook. By selecting the grade item and going to More Actions, you can delete it here. Now going to Quick Eval. The Quick Eval tool allows instructors to view and grade all submissions that are still needing evaluation in one place, and can be organized using the filtered search bar in terms of assessment name, course name, and when the submissions were turned in by students. Now all the tools are accessible by clicking the course tools. Here you can see them. We'll finish off with class progress and then go on to the course tools. Class progress feature is a convenient tool for reviewing the progress of individual users or the entire class list. You can see the content they've completed, their logins, and their grades. Now we'll start with the assignment tool. Within the assignment tool, instructors can make new assignments by clicking here, create or edit categories for better organization, or select the More Actions dropdown to reorder, preview, hide, or delete. By clicking on the individual assignment dropdown, instructors can choose to edit the assignment or view student submissions. Going to the quiz tool, the tab brings us to Manage Quizzes, and this is where all the quizzes you've made will exist. The question library is a repository for all your quiz questions. The Statistics tab allows instructors to see their class's overall performance on quizzes. And the Lockdown Browser tab is only enabled if a request has been made to use it during assessments. Under Manage Quizzes, the same options are available as they are within the Assignments tool. There's a button to create a new quiz, edit categories to organize them, and the More Actions to change visibility, copy, reorder, or delete. The dropdown on individual quizzes also provides similar options around editing the quiz, deleting, or even grading the quizzes here. Now we'll go to the Zoom tool. From this tool, an instructor can quickly create Zoom live sessions by clicking the Schedule a New Meeting button here, and this will bring up the same options that would be present within the Zoom app. Meetings can be organized through the buttons of Upcoming or Previous Meetings. And we'll go to Discussions. From the Discussion tool homepage, instructors can create new forum or topic by clicking on the New dropdown. And again, the More Actions dropdown menu provides you with more options here. There are various settings that can be utilized to customize and restrict discussions, and this can be done by going to the dropdown beside a topic or forum and clicking Edit. Looking at the other tabs available, the Subscriptions tab allows instructors and students to subscribe to forums, topics, threads, or all of the above by providing their email. The Group and Section Restrictions tab allows instructors to restrict forums or topics to specific groups made in the Groups tool. And lastly, the Statistics tab shows both org unit progress and student progress of discussions and gives instructors the ability to export this data to a CSV file. Now, speaking of Groups tool, we'll go there next. This is where student groups can be created for any group projects you may have. Selecting New Category will bring you to a page that allows you to create a name, choose enrollment type, number of groups, as well as the option to restrict enrollment. This is also where instructors can associate the groups to various tools like assignments, discussions, and lockers. Going to Kaltura, My Media. This tool is user-specific. Therefore, all video content uploaded to My Media can be viewed in any course that a student is enrolled in on Brightspace. The Add New button provides you with many options for uploading new media. The Actions drop-down allows you to request captions, publish, or delete all selected media. When media is published, it will turn up in the course's media gallery. The media gallery is course-specific, so anyone enrolled in the course will be able to see the media here. From the tool homepage, instructors can add new media by clicking here, and it'll be brought from your My Media. Now, going back to the content, we recommend you add any activity you may have created in the various tools into the content area using the Add Existing buttons. So here you can select which activity you'd like. If you haven't yet created the activities, you can click the Upload Create button to do so here. Now, thank you so much for listening. If you need any extra help, you can email ltsi support@uvic.ca or visit the Teach Anywhere website for more help.